How to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to our video. Today in this video we're going to learn how we can create a broadcast channel on Instagram, which is very super easy. So let's go on with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon and turn on the notification bells to get updated about our latest videos. The very first thing you need to know is you need to have at least 10,000 followers in order to create a broadcast channel. So if that feature is not available, maybe that may be one of the reason if that broadcast channel feature is not available on your screen. Otherwise, if you already have that feature, in order to create that, you just need to tap on your messenger icon at the top right and you will be able to find your messages here. So here at the top right corner, you can find the message section with a pen. You can find a pen and a notebook icon at the top of the screen. Just click on it and you'll be finding an option called create broadcast channel there. So there you will be finding something like this, which enables this option called create a broadcast channel. You can just tap on that option. And when you tap on that option, you need to just enter your channel name. You need to select your audience and you can find this option called show channel on profile. You will just enable this option for your followers to know about your channel that you have created. So just follow this method, create a channel name, choose your audience and show channel on profile, enable that option and your channel should be created. Follow those steps in order to create a channel. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.